Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Physics Infinity. I'm going to today talk about de Sauty bridge and an unbalanced de Sauty bridge. You people are well familiar with the Wheatstone bridge network, that is a 5 resistor network, and you know how to analyze the Wheatstone bridge network consisting of the five resistors. Whether it is balanced, then of course it is a 1 second job, or if it is unbalanced. The unbalanced Wheatstone bridge you can solve either by the loop rule, Kirchhoff's rule 2, or the nodal rule, Kirchhoff rule 1, or of course with the super trick, that is the star delta method. Now this is normally what we teach in classes with our students, both the traditional methods and then the super trick also. I am now going to analyze a parallel network in capacitors that is called the de Sauty bridge, parallel to the Wheatstone bridge. This is called the de Sauty bridge with a 5 resistor network, C1, C2, C3, C4. And I am going to make 2 videos on this for the unbalanced de Sauty bridge. For the balance, it would be so simple. For example, if this was, now I have given the 5 resistors, 6 microfarad, 3 microfarad, 3 microfarad, 6 microfarad, and in between of course it is 3 microfarad. If this was a balanced de Sauty bridge, like if this was 6, this was 12, this was 2 and this was 4, so this upon this is this upon this, then it is a balanced bridge. Then the middle, this one, the central one is cancelled because the PD at B is PD at D. PD at B is equal to PD at, well, this node is, I am taking D, and then this one goes. So these two are in series, these two are in series, and they are in parallel. Well, that's a 1 minute, less than a minute job. But if it is unbalanced, now here what I am doing, the bridge is unbalanced. 6, 3, 3, 6. Look at the ratio. 6, 3, 3, 6. The bridge is not balanced. Now when the bridge is not balanced, and if I want you to analyze, I can frame questions on this. I apply a cell of 10 volt, EMF 10 volt across AC, and then I ask you, well, what is the charge on each plate? I can ask you, and before that I can ask you what is the PD at B, at D, at A, at C. I can ask you what is the effective capacitance of this de Sauty bridge network across AC. Across AC. Well, that is what normally students are interested in. The other points you can easily find. So, I told you earlier as well, we can solve this problem either by Kirchhoff rule 2. So I make the loop rules, the loop equations, solve it. The other is the nodal rule. Now I first of all will teach you nodal rule, and then in the next video I'll give you the super trick of just doing it less than a minute. First, understand the nodal. Kirchhoff rule 2 I will not use because that will be quite lengthy and time consuming. Let me first in this video teach you the nodal rule to analyze this bridge. Fine. What I do is, I want to know the potentials of all the 4 nodes. One node I take as a reference node, and the best reference node would be C. So I take the C as the reference node and I give the value, I ground it sort of. So VC is equal to 0. If VC is equal to 0, then surely VA is equal to 10 volts. VA is equal to 10. So 2 nodes voltages I already know. Now VB and VD, the other 2 nodes voltages, potentials are unknown. Potentials B and D unknown. Well, if I know VB and VD, well, I can analyze everything that is asked in this question. So I use Kirchhoff rule 1. Kirchhoff rule 1. So what I do? First apply Kirchhoff rule 1 at B. Let me do the charge distribution. Suppose the cell is pushing Q, so Q should enter. In the direction of the EMF, it is pushing EMF, that is 10 volt, it is pushing Q. Now Q comes here, it has two paths. Let Q1 go there, Q2 go there. Surely Q2 is Q minus Q1, but doesn't matter. Then Q1 comes here, so this is Q1. Again node, let Q3 go in this branch and Q1 minus Q3 will go in this branch. Fine. So Q1 minus Q3 comes here, Q3 comes from here, Q2 comes from here, they join together. So Kirchhoff rule 1 at D. So Q3 comes from here, Q2 comes from here, then Q2 plus Q3 goes here, and Q2 plus Q3 joins with Q1 minus Q3, and I get Q1 plus Q2, that is equal to Q. That is equal to Q, and I get my Q back. Perfect charge distribution. Right. Now let me apply the Kirchhoff rule 1 at B. All right. This charge entering, this is this plus this charges that are going. So 10 minus VB, because this is 10 volt, this is VB unknown. So 10 minus VB into capacitance 6 microfarad is equal to the charge flowing in this and the charge flowing in this. So VB minus V0, 3 microfarad, 3 upon 10 to the power 6, plus VB minus VD, 3 upon 10 to the power 6. Equation 1. Mind you, there are two variables, VB and VD. So I need another equation. For the other equation, I apply the Kirchhoff rule 1 at D. Okay, there you are. So 10 minus, so look at this. So this charge coming in the junction, coming toward the junction, going out of the junction. So charge here plus charge here should be equal to charge there. So there you are. 10 minus VD. 10 minus VD, 3 microfarad, plus VB minus VD, 3 microfarad, plus VD, VC is 0. So VD minus 0, 6 microfarad. Two equations, two variables. Job is done. I leave it to you. Simultaneous equation having two variables, two equations and two variables. You solve the two, you will get VB equal to 6 volt and VD equal to 4 volt. Job is done. So I want to find Q1. So VA minus VB into 6 microfarad. That comes out 24 microcoulomb. I want to find Q2. VA minus VD, 3 microfarad times 3 upon 10 to the power 6. I get 18 microcoulomb. So total charge going, total charge pushed by the cell is Q1 plus Q2, that is 42 microcoulomb. And then what is the effective capacitance? Effective capacitance, CAC, Q over 10, Q over 10, so that will give me 4.2 microfarad. So it was an unbalanced de Sauty bridge. We have analyzed it thoroughly, charge distribution. Of course, we have found the potential at each node and also the effective capacitance. So this video gives you thorough understanding of an unbalanced de Sauty bridge. You like the video? Please like.
If you love the video and want me to make more useful videos for you, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated.